She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Monochromatic makeup series, and today we are doing the color blue. So getting started, we're going to be using Benefit Precisely My Brow. This, I literally have been using it for years. I've been like switching between a few, but it's been my like go-to brow product, especially because like the pigment is really nice, it's creamy, and I feel like it lasts me a while. Now going in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This one right here, I don't know. I liked it, but like, I don't know. I don't really see a difference between my other primers. It's good if you're getting started with your makeup, but it's not, I don't think it's really all what it's hyped up to be honest. And that can just be because like my skincare is too much or I'm not applying it correctly. But I'll let you guys know I'm still using it, and I'll give you my tips and tricks in another video. Next, going in with my foundation. This is Polite Society's More Than a Pretty Face foundation. This right here has been like the most natural looking foundation I have used in a while, and by the time I filmed this, I'm now almost out of it, and I haven't ran out of foundation since like high school. So I would highly recommend this foundation if you're looking for like an upgrade. It is a little bit pricey, but I would say it's really natural. I'm just taking a foundation brush. Most of these brushes are from TikTok Shop. I'm pretty sure they're also on Amazon. I'll have them all linked down below if they are, but it's a great price. I think they're like a pack of 40 for like less than $20. So yeah, I'll try to find something similar for you guys, so then you guys can like also be getting some nice brushes for on the low. I do want to mention I do go live on my TikTok whenever I am filming, so if you guys would like to see my makeup videos in real time, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. There's like tips and tricks that I do. We always have a great time over there, so I'll leave that down below as well. Next, going in with my concealer. This is the Kulfi Beauty Main Match Concealer. I go between 3 different shades. So the one that's closest to my skin tone is Faluda Fizz. Then I either go between Main Match's shade Glossy Guava or Cherry Pick. Cherry Pick is a little bit brighter, so it just depends on like what I want for my under eye. Also, with like my concealer, I'm gonna try like to do my makeup how a makeup artist would do. Do you want me to do a video on that? Because they do not do it the way that like influencers do it, and like I really want to give it a try. So just let me know in the comments if you would like me to try to do makeup like a MUA. For bronzer, always going to go in with Mango People. This has been my favorite product for the past year, you guys. Year. Now before I set my, blend out my concealer, I go in with my setting spray. This is from Scandinavia. It's their finishing spray. They have a bridal one. I haven't tried that one, but I like to spray my face, let it dry down a little bit, and no, I don't have a fan, so yes, I'm using a makeup box. But I dry down my face, and then I either take a brush or a sponge. I've been going in between both to blend out my concealer. And then now I'm gonna go in with my blush. This is the IT Cosmetics Sun Blush. This is so pigmented. If you guys saw my birthday video, I accidentally put way too much. But again, going in with some setting spray. Now this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I like both. I'm just trying to get rid of a lot of my stuff, so then I can get all my favorites, you know what I mean? So I just want to get through all my primers, all my setting sprays, all my powders, just so that I can re-update my makeup routine. And now using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. The trick is to pat it on the back of your hand and then press while you're looking up underneath your eyes. Press, and then you'll get this flawless base. It does not matter what type of powder you use. It doesn't matter what type of concealer you use. Obviously, you'll get better results if you're using higher quality products, but it's just more about skill and practice, and just you will be able to have a flawless base no matter what products you use. Now going in with Juvia's Place Bronze Duo, I have also been using this for a long time. Like, I have like some higher quality, like more expensive bronzers and everything, but like this I really go back to all the time. I love it. It's cheap and you get 2 different colors in one, so you can like have like a face shade and your contour shade. Then also with Juvia's Place, I'm going to go in with their Bronze Duo, and this is number 4, and I might get a different one. I think they have like an orangey one, but I don't know. I need to settle down on the blushes. I have too many, not gonna lie. For the eyes, let's get into this look now. So this is the Morphe Artistry Palette. I don't know what the shade names are. I actually cannot find this exact palette. It's like a little bit different than the one that they have in store right now, but this was like super neutral. It's just to get my base set, so it's a light brown. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Norvina Palette Volume 2, and I am completely shocked about how pigmented it is, but I was also using a Morphe like brush. It was like the really tiny brush. I think it was like a lip brush, and that's been helping out to like pick up a lot of product and get the most pigment. And I'm just going between all the blues in there and creating like an ombre effect, so like it's lighter on the edges but like darker on the insides. And this area I keep on messing up, so like I like to do like one side and then recreate it on the other, but for some reason I just kept on messing up, and I just needed to conceal, like take it off, redo that entire area. But overall I did eventually get it. I decided to just put dots on my face where I wanted to place the little loop-de-loop through my eyebrow, and I figured that was a lot easier. I was finally able to get that loop, and now I'm just taking some eyeshadow and winging out underneath my like waterline, and then bringing the design out onto the side. And now to finish off the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with Stila Cosmetics Heaven's Dew All Over Glimmer. This is in shade Silver Lake. And honestly, it's my favorite highlighter. And just to add a little bit more touch of glitter, I'm going to go in with Eva Expressions Magical Guardians Glimmer Palette. And this is in shade Mercury, to get that nice, cool duochrome color. Like, look at it. I'm so shocked about how well this turned out. Honestly, it was like my favorite look, and since then I've only been doing glitter shadows all over my face. Now I'm taking Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. This for a moment was my like go-to. I don't know like where I put it. I kind of lost it, but I was using this all the time. Every single look I was using this Smashbox, so I really like this. I would highly recommend getting this mascara. And then for lips, I want to give out a huge warning. I was told that you are not supposed to be using Kulfi's Kajal shade Rain Check or anything. Like, the only one that's approved is the Cheeky Chiku on your lips. But do not use this on your lips. I just did it because I've been doing makeup for a long time and I said it's okay. Now I'm using Maybelline's Lifter Gloss to top it off, and it just gave that little faded ombre effect. And this is the final look. I threw on a wig because I needed to take pictures and I was giving bald. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you excited? Like how do you guys feel about this series? Let me know. Did you like this? Could I have done more? Please be honest. Like, it was a little bit of a struggle just because I've never done a design like this and I was using eyeshadow. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining.